Good morning friends, welcome back. Day 2 in action. Adarsh Society, Kastur Park, Borivali West. So we have a new member who is joined from our building, Arvind Kamath. Okay, he's just giving a helping hand. He has some time before going out, so he just wants to give us a helping hand. Good morning Harshil.
Good morning.
Good morning Harsh. Good morning Yuvraj. बस तो खाली उतना हाई करते हैं ना. बस don't waste time. Take that gamela, put it inside. We have borrowed these tools from the neighboring building place where the construction activity is going on. So we have to return it back to them. Now just see how much of rabbit we have collected over a period of 2-3 days now. Last 1 day, 2 days. See here. There are these stones. A lot of kachra over here, rabbit over here. It's not kachra exactly, it's rabbit. Okay, this is coming till that place. It's all been accumulated. We'll make someone to come and take it from here. Don't put there, don't put there. Put here. ये बाजू डाल इसके ऊपर. ये बाद में निकल जाएगा, नहीं तो इसके ऊपर इधर डाल. खींचना पड़ेगा. पूरा खींच के लेके आना पड़ेगा. क्या? ती माती दवर चिनी आत कोणा के आपण ती वरच तांगेल करने दो कोणाला दो वरच ती माती गोनी में डाल के क्यों टेम्पो लाएगा और उठा के लेके आएगा वो ये ट्रॉली वाली यूज करके उसका इधर सब सूखा पत्ता डाल के सब जला देने का उसको सूखा पत्ता ये वो सब जो भी है ना इधर जला देने का वो उसका लुकआउट गोनी में लेके जाएगा ट्रॉली में लेके जाएगा कैसा लेके जाएगा पत्थर भी लेके जाएगा हाँ पत्थर भी दे देंगे ना रख के क्या करने का चाहिए तो रखते हैं जरूरत नहीं है stones are needed where there are big holes na you have to place stones over there see now how this building looks here. How much we have cleaned it. We still want to make it much better and more cleaner. We are cleaning on this rebate from here. See, look at this trolley. Now here's where the dog was buried. So this place, this place Vemo was buried one of our dogs, which we had a pet dogs in a building, just to safeguard us against all thefts and everything. So we are also on that front. Coming back to this plot, see over here. Now at the back end of the building, see here, a lot of dry leaves and everything been accumulated. See this child, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, hello.
Hello.
See, he's collecting all that dry leaves and everything.
Yeah.
See, we have accumulated. He's the secretary of the building.
Swachh Bharat.
Mr. Prabhu. Yes. So under their guidance. See, we are accumulated everything over here in this corner. Now the thing is, sir, what we want is an help. Either we call someone from there, let them bring the tempo over here till inside, put everything in that tempo and take it away within 1 day. There is some in charge over there. Pattar matti sakkada ekka sama. सांगेल मनसा येऊन पोहोच का सांग एक पंता एक लेट देम कमेंट सी वन हांग पत्थर ना बट माती असो सकाळ ते सकाळ खळडून काण सकाळ वरच्या मागीर फ्रेश माती आण घाल्या लायक थोडी थोडे लायक 1-2 प्लांट्स घाल चंद करू स्टोन जनी असत या काढली शेतो क्लीन करू जायला मस्त पत्थर पण वर नी थई असती हांग असते हाजी हांगा केलो हाजी मुळा पडल्या पत्थर मुळा below this. So what we are doing is right now we are accumulating everything at this place. So those stones and everything. Now we want some mud, fresh soil to be brought in over here. But we'll do that after these things have been cleared.
For up to 11 o'clock.
Okay.
The reason is society return file
Society income tax return, right?
file karta आणि त्या पुरा TDS and फलांचा
आम्ही record करता. So this is getting recorded. We'll put this on YouTube. We'll send other places also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now she will come back around 11 o'clock. Now then we'll talk to him. So there is a hole over there. There's a hole below this. So let this be there. So wherever there are big holes, we are
I
keeping
think
this.
They have put stones below this also in 2-3 cases.
Ah,
They have
maybe.
buried the dog, no?
Yeah. Thank you. From which building you are, Smith?
Mahavir.
From Mahavir building, Mahavir, which is on the opposite side of our, on the other side of the road. He's come here to help us. See, these kids are very helpful and they are doing a very good job together. See, look at Harshil Doshi. His father is a doctor and he's trained him and groomed him very well in terms of cleaning and keeping things clean. So he's also contributing a lot on this front in the neighboring building. So now imagine we are also planning to go that side. We're waiting for some more volunteers to join in. Only then it would be possible, because I hope you all understand on this front. See, this place is getting more and more cleaner now. All the dry leaves and everything being cleared. See Harsh over here, he's collecting everything, helping Yuvraj. And myself, Avinash, I'm just trying to put some water. I'm actually putting some water over here so that this soil is clean. वो लेवल होगा, पहले ये बाजू करते हैं. Put this over here. Take care, child. See how fast the water is getting drained inside. मेरी मेहनत पे पानी फेर दिया. This is all go inside and it's stuck. It will make the soil more stronger and firmer towards the lower side. This will give us some room to make sure that everything is being done in a proper and right way, so that there are no holes for rats or anything to come, because they are the root cause of any kind of disease or anything. Let's start. We have the future of our area, our nation, our city, everyone over here. So that's it. Stay tuned together.
चलो चालू.
बस ये इतना सामान बहुत है.
कुछ बोलो, चलते क्यों नहीं?
अरे एक ही कुछ भी लेगा.
पकड़, उन्होंने ही बोला. लास्ट हाँ.
All the debris to be put inside. More.
हाँ.
Which has been accumulated over a period of time, it has become like a sand dunes over here. What type of is this?
थोड़ा जोर से बोलने की कोशिश करो.
It's been very good on the front of the building. Children and neighboring children over here who are taking this initiative to clean. It's been a joint activity together. So everyone has participated. We wish everyone does the same. We have a much healthier and cleaner atmosphere. Please take it. Thank you.
Welcome.
वहाँ से डालना पड़ेगा. Where is Naveen?
That's the debris you can see over here. It's too much more than yesterday. Harshu is putting all his efforts and he has been successful. Smith again. So Harsh has been successful. He is going back. So Naveen uncle has watered the plants. Now it's over here. See how carefully is water in the plants. So he has watered all the 3 plants over here. 1, 2 and 3.
Smith. Smith, smile. Thank you.
हाँ
Wait. ला
छोड़ो वो मत ले, पेड़ काटा हुआ मत ले। ये जाएगा ना?
चालू है वीडियो।
लेके जा, क्या? ले ले।
बोलो कुछ बोलो।
We are not leaving a single corner of our building, trying to make it as clean and more greener as possible. Enjoying his joyride. भागा उसको भागा। Fruity. Say hi, Arin. Yo. See, we are also removing these small which are weeded out during the rainy or due to water and liquid things. These small plants, look. These small plants that we have weeded out over here. You can see over here. That is there. This is basically due to moist and dirty water. These small plants try to come up, and yeah, we are doing it across the building. Over here, see, these leaves are all dead, dry. These pots need to be actually taken care of. We need to do some cutting over here. See this, all this dry grass. गौर से देखिए आप, जो है कुछ काम के नहीं पर रुके हुए। See what is this? These pots have to be cleaner. Okay? Come fast. Into this, but see Arin from our neighboring building, Krishna Koina. Say hi, Arin.
Hi.
He's come here and he's doing all the hard work in the sun. He's cleaning all this part over here for our building. He's accumulating all the dust over here. Good boy, Arin. Look at this. Look at the pakad video chalu hai. Look at this, Harsh. Come on. Yeah, he's trying to break this apart and it's moving. Yes. You can do it, Harsh. And look at it. Why Jeff has broken that. Yay! See, actually we were trimming this tree a little bit because it was a little overgrown and slight. It's just slight, just a shoot which we have cut, nothing more. See, just a very small shoot and a very small stuff over that we have cut, not big.